illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a dragonfly character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our dragonfly characters. The first thing that we want to do is start with a really large oval shape. And this is going to be for our dragonfly's head. Alright, next we're going to start working on the different sections of our dragonfly's body. So we'll start with a square-ish shape there for the main part of its body. And then we'll add a triangular shape for the rest of its body slash tail. And we want to curve it slightly because our dragonfly is going to be mid-flight, so we want it to be curved slightly here. All right, now we'll work on the wings of our dragonfly character. So we're going to do two sets of wings, one really long wing and one short wing on each side. So we'll start with the long on this side, come all the way out and back in there for one. And we'll want to do another long wing on the other side. So this one will be slightly obscured by our dragonfly's face here. So we'll start out here, come out and back in. Now we'll do two smaller wings underneath. One. And two. All right, now we're going to start our detail work here. So we'll start with the antenna. We'll make one that curves and one that doesn't. We'll add little circles on the ends here. Now our dragonfly is going to have really large circles for eyes. One. And two. And we want to make sure that we're adding lots of highlights in the eyes for this character. So you can see I drew three smaller circles inside of each large circle. And then we're going to color that in around those little circles here. All right, and we want to smile here. And I'm going to add some eyelashes to my character here. All right, just a couple details left. I want to add a bunch of legs that are just essentially a series of curved lines here. And we can also add a few detail lines for the tail. And what this will do is help set you up for a little color success when we get to that point. Now since our dragonfly is in motion, we can add a few action lines, and that can indicate that our dragonfly's wings are moving. And we can also make this dragonfly look like it's moving by adding a trail of dashed lines that shows where our character has come from. And that's really simple. So just add a series here that just goes off the paper. All right, illustrators, there we have our Dragonfly character outline. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our Dragonfly characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators! I hope that you enjoyed drawing your Dragonfly characters together. I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!